Sanki Machine Tools India Private Limited is in the business of sales and service of CNC machine tools for the last 30 years. We are sourcing machine tools from Taiwan, Japan and Europe. And we are basically marketing all tool room machines like BMC, CNC EDM, CNC wire cut EDM, surface grinder, profile grinder, double column surface grinder, double column VMC and deep hole drilling machines. So all the machines required for tool room we can supply it. And the advantage with us is single source for supply of all tool room machines. And our machines are of high technology and are economically priced. And we operate on all India basis. And we have very good, excellent team of sales and service engineers. And we are very much conversant with Fanuc control and Siemens control also. And we do complete engineering, means selecting the right type of machine based on customer's requirement and offering him the required options also. So, and finally we offer package to the customer so that what machine he buys, will be most suitable to meet his requirement. And customers are very happy with our after sales service also and pre-sales and post-sales service also. Thank you.